The business was started in 1970 by my father. He started out in the glass trade at the age of 14 in 1928 and spent his life up till that point working, glazing, cutting. My father had always thought that if you learnt a trade and you learnt it well, that you should be successful and hopefully you wouldn't run out of work. Between us we had 38 years as a partnership. We started off as a man and a boy, and at the end of that 38 years we were employing 10 people. I believe that we still call ourselves traditional glass merchants, in that the original purpose of the business was that we were cutting glass, selling glass, processing glass. We also now fit replacement windows and replacement doors and whatever else might be called for in this modern age, but we are still traditional glass merchants. I believe that our business stands out because we offer a good quality product, as many of our competitors do, but we try and base our service on my father's old-fashioned business principles of old-fashioned service, personal service and reliability.